Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Today's video is all about the wall mirrors designs. Please watch this video till the end, cause here I am gonna show you the incredibly clever ways to decorate with mirrors in a small living room or bedroom. Small living rooms can be challenging to decorate. This is especially true if you feel that your room is small and boxy. If you have struggled to make your small room feel a bit roomier, using mirrors in strategic and creative ways can help to make your space feel bigger and brighter. I have got some amazing ways to use mirrors that will surprise and delegate you. Let's get into these incredibly clever ways to decorate with mirrors in small rooms. Wall mirrors are a decorator's weapon of choice. They can be used to define the room and make it look contemporary or boho depending on the choice of mirror. Beautiful round mirrors with intricate wooden carvings or fancy mirrors placed symmetrically across the drawing room wall can heighten the aesthetic of any room. They can also be used to light up dark corners or become the focal point of your creative design space. When you decide to buy a wall mirror online, you have to consider a few factors before zeroing on the one. The first thing you have to think about is the size of the mirror. Do you want a single full-length mirror or do you want bubble mirrors to line the wall? You also need to consider the color, style and shape of the mirror. You should take a call after considering your wall color, the decor of your room, and how you have placed your furniture. You can use a wall mirror to be the star attraction or simply accentuate your style. We all know that mirrors plays a very important role in wall decor, and if you think wall mirrors are only used to elevate the style of your living room or bedroom, then think again. Dressing table mirrors, corridor mirrors, and even bathroom mirrors are functional and can add to your style. Depending on your needs, decide on the size of the mirror for each room. For your dressing closet or your bedroom, go for a full-length wall mirror to help you assess your look. When buying bathroom mirrors, go for something practical and position it correctly to catch maximum light. After all, this could come in handy when you are shaving or applying makeup. A wall mirror is a piece of decor that can make or break a room. The right one in the right frame can really make a place come alive. When choosing wall mirrors, there are some things to keep in mind. Shape can define a space, whether accentuating the existing personality of a space or creating an effect of something that is not there. A round wall mirror or curved mirror can soften the decor of a room, while a long mirror or an angular one gives a tidier or organized impression. If you want to experiment, why settle for just one mirror? Create a shape of your choice with multiple mirrors. The second point is the size of the mirror. Consider if you want the mirror to be the point of attraction in the room or if you want it to blend into the background. Use small mirrors with attractive frames as accent pieces. A large mirror with a well chosen frame can also become a focal point. A full length wall mirror can make a room appear larger than it really is. The next point is the style, the type of the frame, the material and shape will make a huge difference to the room's decor. You could choose a mirror to reflect the personality of the room or something that stands out so obviously that it becomes a dramatic accent piece. If you have an what we can say the ethnic decor theme, then ornate mirrors work well. If minimalistic is more your thing, then a sleek wooden frame will do the trick. If you are choosing a colored frame, make sure that it does not clash with the existing decor. A girly wall of mirrors is a superb way to decorate with wall mirrors and does wonders for a home's decor. The last point is purpose and the placement of the wall mirrors. Perhaps the most important thing to consider is to decide where you are going to hang each wall mirror. This naturally sets the tone for everything else. Do you need a vanity mirror in your bedroom or an oversized mirror that amps up the style quotient of the room? Based on where you plan to use these mirrors, shape, size, and style will be determined. Consider what will be reflected in the mirror when you place in a particular spot. So, these are some tips regarding the wall mirrors. A wall mirror gives you a chance of opportunity to play with your home's decor, and where you place a wall mirror can make a massive difference to the way a room appears. So here are some fun ways to decorate your home with a wall mirror. Wall mirror at the entrance point, corridor of a mirrors, over your study desk, in the bathroom, in the bedroom, or in the living room. Yes, we cannot forget the dining room as well. So I hope that all these designs will inspire you. Please share your feedback regarding this video, and if you enjoy the wall mirror video, then please do not forget to share your feedback. Please do not forget to press the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. So stay tuned with us. It's time to say goodbye. Please do not skip this video. Watch it till the end, cause here we are showing you some of the best designs and the best ideas of wall mirror decoration. Take care. Goodbye. Stay tuned with us. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Home Interiors. Today's video is all about the wall mirrors designs. Please watch this video till the end, cause here I am gonna show you the incredibly clever ways to decorate with mirrors in a small living room or bedroom. Small living rooms can be challenging to decorate. This is especially true if you feel that your room is small and boxy. If you have struggle to make your small room feel a bit roomier? Using mirrors in strategic and creative ways can help to make your space feel bigger and brighter.